Emergency rush repair. Emergency rush on a PIV chain driven gearbox. This will be done in less than 24 hours. All bearings and seals are in stock, as well as the silent chain. 3-inch silent chain by 74 inches in length. New chain is in stock. Bearings are laying right there on that table. Emergency rush service will begin in the next 20 to 30 minutes. We will have this box done within 6 hours.
Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing in industrial gearbox repair. We work on brands such as Falk, Philadelphia, Flender, Hanson, Link-Belt, Marley, Bonfiglione, and so forth. Here at National Gear Repair, if you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer get parts for, we could reverse engineer and manufacture all necessary gearing and shafts to the exact same Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness. We manufacture gears such as helical, herringbone, foot herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we do offer 24-hour emergency rush repair and manufacturing. We also offer free freight nationwide, as well as free quotes. At National Gear Repair, all our work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. Please continue to watch these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.